Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a Facebook account. It is actually pretty easy, but for some people it may be a bit complicated. And yeah, that's what I'm going to show you guys today in this video. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to download the Facebook app, of course. And yeah, once you're here and you have opened up the app, for me it will show my other 3 accounts. But for you, it will probably say immediately something like create your Facebook account or log in. So yeah, we're going to do that right now. At the bottom it says sign up for Facebook, and we want to click on that. And yeah, just click on get started, and you gotta fill in your first name. So I'm just gonna do some random stuff real quick for the sake of this tutorial, but of course you are going to need to fill in your real name. So yeah, I'm just gonna do something like this, and then this, and then click on go on your keyboard. Right here you gotta fill in your birthday. I'm going to do something random as well, just like this, and then click on continue. And yeah, you gotta choose your or select your gender, and I am male. But yeah, you can decide it for yourself, and then click on next, and you can either fill in your phone number or your email address. And I'm going to use my email address because I like that more. And yeah, just click on that and fill in your email address right here. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then once you have filled in your email address, click on go. And right here you have to create your own password, and I'm going to do that right now as well. Once you have done that, you want to click on go again, and it says finish signing up, and then some just quick stuff as a in the text, and just click on sign up. And right now, as you can see, you are in your Facebook account. And you can just add a profile picture, but for this tutorial I'm just gonna skip it real quick. So I'm just gonna click on that and find friends. I'm going to skip this as well, but you can do this of course to find your friends. Turn on notifications. I'd recommend doing that, but I'm just gonna skip that too. And right here you have to fill in your confirmation code you have gotten on either your email address or your phone number. Depends on what you have filled in, of course. So I'm just gonna do that, and then click on submit. And it says confirmed. And once your account is confirmed, you will end up on this page again. And yeah, that is your Facebook page. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.